You check your mail and find a formal, white envelope from the North Carolina DMV. Inside is an FS-5 notice, signaling a flagged lapse in your auto insurance coverage. You have exactly 10 days to resolve this issue. If that clock runs out, the state automatically revokes your vehicle's license plate. But we can fix this today. You only need 3 things to get started: your vehicle's 17-digit VIN, your valid insurance policy number, and an internet-connected device. The process has 3 distinct steps. We will push an electronic insurance submission through your agent, navigate the state's online penalty portal, and verify that the DMV system reflects the update. The DMV does not grant extensions for this. By acting immediately and following these specific steps, you keep your vehicle completely legal to drive. Step 1 is figuring out how much time you actually have. Look at the top right corner of your FS-5 letter and find the printed issue date. That specific date is when your 10-day countdown officially began. The clock does not start on the day the letter arrived in your mailbox, and it doesn't wait for you to open the envelope. Standard mail delivery takes 3 to 5 days. By the time you are reading the notice, half of your window to respond is likely already gone. Missing the final day triggers a license plate revocation order. At that point, any law enforcement officer scanning your plate sees it as invalid, and you'll face a new set of escalating fines. Knowing exactly when your deadline hits gives you the clarity to move fast. There is zero margin for error here. Next, locate your 17-digit vehicle identification number, or VIN. You will find it on your dashboard, your vehicle registration, or your insurance policy. You need this because the state requires a form called an electronic FS-1. This is a digital proof of insurance that confirms your coverage has been continuous or is currently active. Do not try to mail or hand-deliver a paper copy of your insurance card to the DMV. They will reject it outright. The system only accepts electronic submissions. Call your local insurance agent directly, give them your VIN, and specifically request that they file an electronic FS-1 on your behalf. Only an authorized insurance carrier can execute this. Your agent logs into their portal and digitally pings the DMV headquarters in Raleigh to verify your active policy. Until that digital handshake happens between your agent and Raleigh, the system assumes you are uninsured. Every subsequent step relies on this single transmission. Once your agent finishes their part, grab your license plate number and your vehicle title number. You will use these to log into the online NC DMV payment portal. The state requires you to pay for the documented lapse. The base fee is a mandatory $50 civil penalty. On top of that civil penalty, you are assessed an additional $50 restoration fee to reactivate the legal status of your license plate. The timing of this payment is critical. If you pay these fees online before your agent's electronic FS-1 is fully processed, the system will error out. The DMV payment portal operates asynchronously from the insurance tracking system. It will gladly take your $100, but because the insurance proof isn't registered yet, your plates will stay in revoked status. Always follow this exact order. Your agent files the FS-1. Your agent confirms it was received. Then, and only then, you log on and pay the fees. Correctly sequencing the financial clearance closes the loop in Raleigh and satisfies the requirements of the FS-5 letter. With the electronic transmission sent and the payment confirmed, the hard part is over. You can refresh the DMV portal one last time. When the system shows your vehicle tag as active with no pending fees, you have officially stopped the 10-day clock. Dealing with this rigid bureaucracy is stressful, and it is even worse if you are stuck waiting on an unresponsive insurance agent while your deadline approaches. If your current representation isn't moving fast enough, reach out to a local, independent agent right here in Surry County, someone who understands how to navigate the Raleigh system quickly. By accurately tracking your timeline, forcing the electronic protocol, and paying your fees in the right order, you've successfully protected your license plate and your right to drive.